Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Opera because private mode works per window. You don't need to change browser settings first. Once Opera is open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Linux, or plus Shift plus N on a Mac, and a new private window appears. You do this so browsing leaves no local history, cookies, or form autofill in that session. Make sure the window shows the masked icon or label indicating private mode. This confirms you're isolated from your regular profile and its stored data. Once the private window is open, you should fine-tune privacy controls to match your goal. Go to Menu, then Settings, and open Privacy and Security to toggle blocking of third-party cookies and to manage site permissions. You do this so trackers are limited even in private mode. Make sure to enable Opera's ad blocker or the built-in VPN if you need extra protection. These reduce fingerprinting and third-party requests. Remember, private mode plus these settings minimizes local traces and reduces remote tracking. To finish, close every private window so Opera discards the session's cookies and history. You must close all private windows, not just tabs. If you notice a site still recognizes you, clear the DNS cache, disable suspicious extensions, or sign out from accounts in regular windows because signed-in accounts can link activity. Make sure your VPN and ad blocker are active before retrying. If private mode misbehaves, restart Opera. That often resolves permission or extension conflicts quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.